In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jockie Music Bot in Discord. We'll start by inviting the bot from its official website. Open your browser, head to the Jockie Music site and click the invite button. This ensures you're adding the legitimate bot and not a copycat. You'll be redirected to Discord's authorization page. Here, make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account in your browser. In the Add to Server drop-down, choose the server where you want the bot to live. You need the Manage Server permission to invite a bot. If you don't see your server on the list, ask a server admin to grant you the proper permission or to complete the invite for you. After selecting the server, click Continue. Discord will show a list of permissions the bot is requesting, such as connecting to voice channels and speaking. These are required for music playback to work correctly. Review them, then click Authorize. You may be prompted to complete a quick captcha. That's normal. Once authorized, the bot is invited and you're ready to use it. Now switch over to the Discord app or web version and open the server you just authorized. You should see the bot appear in the member list. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment to join. Next, join a voice channel on that server. You need to be connected to a voice channel before you tell the bot to play anything. In a text channel within the same server, type the play command using the bot's prefix. For Jockie Music, that's mplay, followed by a song title, artist, or a link. For example, you can type mplay nc, then press enter. The bot should join your voice channel automatically and begin playing the track it finds based on your request. If the bot doesn't join or play, double check that it has permission to connect and speak in that voice channel and that you're currently in the channel when you send the command. Also, make sure you typed the command correctly with the M prefix. Depending on the region or version, /commands might also be available, but the mplay format works reliably. That's it, your Jockie Music bot is set up and playing music. From here, you can explore queuing more songs, pausing or skipping, enjoy your music sessions and keep your server tidy by granting only the permissions you need. Thanks for watching and happy listening.